everyone. It's me, and today is day 1 of the series where my best friend just got scammed out of all of her legendaries, and I'm trying to help her regrow her inventory. So, because I need all of these for myself. I'm not trying to be selfish, but I also have stuff I need to do. So I'm gonna start just as with a dog, okay? And I'm not going to keep any of this to myself. All profits that are made in this series will go to her, okay? I'll link this other video, and I'll play it in the background of some trades I do of the story, pretty much. But please, can you stop? Now let's get into it. I know.
I act like I don't fucking care, 'cause I'm so fucking scared. I'm only a fool. Tell me pretty lies. Look me in my face. Tell me that you love me even though it's fuck.
corgi. And a corgi is an ultra rare, so it's actually not too bad. I traded my legendary because it's not very loved, and I couldn't get too many good trades for that. So come back for day 2, and I hope you have a great day. Please stop scamming people. Bye.